Good morning, students. Today we will discuss. See, in the last class we will discuss about the dairy products. What we had discussed about the dairy products. Dairy products. For what reason we had discussed the dairy products? Means, that is in the topic of microbes in household products. Household products. Okay, microbes in household products. So here in this in this household products, first we had talked about the dairy products. In that dairy products, we had talked about the curd, preparation of curd, cheese. Okay, in the preparation of curd, we had talked about the which bacteria are used in the preparation of curd. Means that is the thermophilus acidophilus. Okay, sorry, lactic acid bacteria are used. Okay, so that bacteria are used for the preparation of what? Curd. Except that one more dairy product is there. See, I had discussed only about the preparation of curd. You can take the yogurt, some other things. Buttermilk is there. They are also prepared by what? By the bacteria or microbes. Next thing that they had given by the cheese. Here the cheese are of two types, that is the ripened cheese and the unripened cheese. The unripened cheese are ripened by the a microbe, that is the fungi, that is the Propionobacterium sharmani, and the cheese name is the Sharmani cheese. And one more is the Swiss cheese or the Roquefort cheese. So next we will see about the next household product over here in this chapter, that is the bread. What it is? That is the bread. The bread will not comes under this dairy product. Second one, that is the bread. Bread, which is one of the bakery item. Okay, alright, bakery product. Okay, what it is? It is one of the bakery product. Here, the dough. Dough means whatever the flour you are going to take for the preparation of the bread. That flour is mixed with the water, and it is prepared. And one more thing is here they are going to mix it. That is known as the baker's yeast. So this dough is prepared by the baker's yeast. So what do you mean by this baker's yeast? So that is, see, baker's yeast is available in the powder form. In which form it is available? It is available in the powder form, which is mixed with the water and added to this dough. Okay, so what is the baker's yeast? From which microbe that powder is prepared or that yeast is prepared? Means they had given by the name itself, that is the yeast. What is the particular strain of yeast over here? Means that is the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Keep in mind, this is very important point. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, this is the name of microbe which is known as the commonly available as the baker's yeast, which is used in the preparation of what? Dough, for the preparation of bread, and it is allowed for the, see, when they will add the, whatever the dough, when the flour is going to added with the water, then with the baker's yeast, then it is allowed to stand for several hours. Allowed to stand for several hours. Okay, then the sugar present is the dough what happens when we are going to allow for the stand for several hours? Whatever the sugar present in the flow, the sugar present in the dough is fermented. Here I will explain what is the meaning of fermentation. Okay, fermented by the yeast. Dough is fermented by the yeast. Here you see the sugar present in the dough. Whatever the sugar present in the dough, that is going to be fermented. First I will explain what is the meaning of fermentation. Here you see what do you mean by the fermentation means the sugar, it is a process where the sugar is converted into either into the gases, which gas means that is the carbon dioxide, or into the acids, and otherwise into the alcohol. Sugar which is going to convert into what? Carbon dioxide, acid or alcohol. That process is known as the what? That process is known as the fermentation. Okay, or whatever the organic compounds will be there, that is going to convert it into what? Carbon dioxide, acids or alcohol, or else we can also say it as the ethanol. So this conversion of sugar into the gases or acids or into the ethanol, that we can call it as the fermentation. So what is happening over here is this dough, whatever prepared by the baker yeast. What is that baker yeast? That is the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is one of the species of a fungi. Okay, what it is? It is one of the species of what? Of fungi. So here, after adding with that particular dough, they are going to stand, means they are going to leave it for several hours. For example, that is 5 to 6 hours. They are going to leave it like that only after mixing, adding that particular of what? Baker's yeast. And next, whatever in the dough, whatever the sugar will be there, this sugar in the dough is fermented by what? By the yeast. So after fermentation, who is going to do the fermentation process over here? This fermentation process is going to be done by the microbes. So what is that particular microbe in the preparation of the dough for the bread means that is the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It produces carbon dioxide and alcohol. What does it produces? It produces carbon dioxide and alcohol, due to which the dough will swell up. Okay, whatever the volume of the dough is there, that is going to increase. Okay, swell up, which is known as the leavening. What it is known as? It is known as the leavening. See here, for the preparation of bread which is a household product, bakery item. Okay, here which is that microbe which is used over here, that is the fungi, which is the species used in the preparation of the bread dough, that is the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, and after adding that powder, which is commonly available as the baker yeast. Okay, baker yeast powder or baker. Okay, so here it will allow for several hours. The next, whatever the sugar which is present in the dough, see, as you know, the all-purpose flour, that is the maida what we call, it contains certain carbohydrates. What are the carbohydrates? That are the sugars. That sugars are going to convert into the carbon dioxide. That's why you can see in the bread, you can see several holes, the porosity in the bread. If this is the bread, you can see several holes. What is that holes? Why it is going to occur? Means that is due to the production of what? Carbon dioxide and alcohol. After which the volume of the dough, see, if the volume of dough before fermentation it will be this much, means after fermentation it will become this much. Why? Because there is a production of carbon dioxide and as well as the alcohol. So volume of the dough is going to increase, and that particular swelling up process what we are seeing here, that is known as the leavening process. Next household product we will see here, that is the preparation of dosa, upma, idli. Okay, let's see. Next, preparation of dosa, upma, idli. Next household product, that is this is also one of the household products. Here, this dosa, upma, idli, it is also prepared by what? By the fermentation process. By what? By the fermentation process. Here also there is an fermentation process in what? In the dough. Okay, whatever the batter you are going to prepare here, the dough means that is the batter. Batter you are going to prepare. For example, you can take for idli. Okay, for the preparation of idli, what you will do? You will take the rice, idli rice, and you will add what we call that is the black gram. What you are going to add? That is the black gram and a mixture of black gram and idli rice. And this will allow you you will soak it for, first you will soak it for 6 to 7 hours. Then what you will do, you will mix it or you will make a paste of it. Then what you will do means, again you will keep it for 7 to 8 hours. During these 7 to 8 hours, what is going to happen over there means, there a fermentation process is going to take place. What it is going to take place? That is the fermentation process is going to take place. And what is that, where it is going to take place? That is in the dough or the batter. So that particular dough is allowed to stand for overnight. That means 7 to 8 hours in the presence of a bacteria. The name of that bacteria which is present in this batter mixer, that name is known as the leuconostoc mesenteroids. What is that bacteria? Leuconostoc mesenteroids. This is the bacteria which is present in the dough. During what? That particular microbe will do the fermentation process. And whatever the sugar which is present in this black gram and the idli rice, that sugar, it is going to be converted into the carbon dioxide, it produces the carbon dioxide and alcohol, due to which you can see this is the volume of the batter. There is a swelling in the batter, and in the Italy also you can see there will be presence of small porous or the porosity, that we can say this Italy is undergone, or the batter of Italy is undergone is a process of fermentation in the presence of microbe or bacteria. This is the name of bacteria, and what is that means? That is the Gluconoster mesenteroids. Okay, so these bacteria are forming a process that is known as the fermentation process, and here due to which there is an or porosity in the idli, either the dosa or the upma. So this is about one more household product. One more is there, that is the toddy. What it is? Next one, that is the toddy. Next household product, toddy. It is one of the drink. What it is? It is one of the drink. It is made by the. It is made by fermenting the latex of latex obtained from the toddy, latex obtained from the toddy plant. Toddy palm and coconut water. Toddy palm and coconut water. So here it undergoes fermentation with the help of with the help of naturally occurring yeast. Okay, naturally occurring yeast. So it is one of the refreshing drink, and it can be heated to produce the palm sugar, that is the jaggery. See, listen here what it is. It is one of the traditional drink, which is somewhat milky white in color. What it is? It is somewhat a milky white in color. It is made by what? Fermenting the latex obtained from what? That is from the toddy palm or the coconut water. See, whatever the coconut plants will be there, they will take the coconut water, and in that coconut water, the naturally occurring yeast will be there. They will undergo into a process of what? Fermentation. There they are going to produce a small amount of alcohol. That's why we are calling it as the refreshing drink or a traditional drink. Okay. So this is about the toddy. So in next class we will see about the microbes in industrial products. Okay. Thank you.